color matching do today. That being said, it also contains some very strong opinions about colors, like the fact that the color red is, quote, barely suitable in any close neighborhood to a lady's skin, or that orange is apparently a no-no color for anyone because, I quote, it is ugly. Tell us how you really feel there, Cody. Then, in the 1970s and 1980s, the idea of personal color matching became all the rage, with books like Color Me a Season, Color Me Beautiful, and Color, the Essence of You, all looking to capitalize on the new availability of affordable, fast printing that made it easy to get full-color images in the hands of consumers. Humans using technology to validate our own self-worth since the beginning. Anyway, the majority of these books all employed some variation of the seasonal system of classification that we're now seeing trending across TikTok. These sort people into 4 categories: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. The definition of what fits into each category kind of changed depending on which version you're using, with many catering specifically to white skin tones, which is not a good look in my book. So instead, we're going to try to focus on a modern day